Hi everyone, I'm Rhiannon Moss from Harcourt's Four Seasons, and today I'm in Rangiora, where I'd like to tell you a story about a fairy tale cottage. But first of all, let me slip into something a little more comfortable. That's better. Now, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a quiet country town, only 23 kilometres from Christchurch Airport, there was a house. But not just any house. This was the most charming cottage in a magical and private garden set on a generous 880 square metre section. In this house lived a couple who had loved their time there, and they'd poured their heart and soul into the house with a new kitchen, bathroom, laundry, and partial double glazing and new carpet. However, they had also been busy building their dream home in the country, and they were very excited because their new home was almost ready. Sad as they were to leave, owning two homes was not an option for them, so they made a wish to find the perfect new owner for this special house. And just like a fairy godmother, I promised to search the land to find the right fit for this fairy tale opportunity. So call me today for more information, or pop along to one of the scheduled open homes and prepare to fall in love and live happily ever after. But don't delay, we wouldn't want anyone turning into a pumpkin. But first, let me slip into something a little more comfortable. What is wrong with this wand? Oh well, tough enough to wear pink.